Hey, if you want to change watch faces on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, you've got actually two options how you can do this. First of all, you can do this quickly on your band by clicking and holding your home screen. And now when you keep swiping up or down, you can actually find some default pre-installed watch faces. So if you want to switch, for example, for this one, you can just tap on it once and there you are. You already changed the watch face. There's also a second option to do this. You will have to open the Mi Fitness application and go into the devices. Now click to manage band displays. And as you can see from here, we can find some recommendations. So if you want to get the new watch faces, you can pick something from this one. Let's get, for example, Goose with the different background. I would like to get the green one. Here we can find another recommendation. And if you want to apply, click here. Now you have to wait for this installation update. And after a few moments, we'll be able to find new watch face on our device. And as you can see, that's how we can do this right now. Please subscribe.